Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a new tool that I developed which looks similar to Canva clone, which is a canvas editor. Canva is a very popular website for creating thumbnails or modifying your images. So I've just created a very simple tool similar to it. Also deployed this on my website freemediatools.com, so you can check out this tool right here live. And first of all, here you can actually choose an image file. So there is 3 buttons available. Choose image. So here you will select your input image. So let me just select, it can be PNG, JPG. So once you select the image, you will be controlling the position and the location of the image simply by using the mouse here. So you can just increase the size of the image and place it accordingly in the canvas. And then we also have the option to add text right here. So as soon as you add text, you can control the location and the size of the text here. You will see that. So this application is built entirely in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. A single file is there. The link is given in the description. Let me show you. I'm just running this file here only, index.html. If you see, so this is around about 1500 lines of code here, which is simply JavaScript, CSS and HTML. And for this we are using Fabric.js, which is a JavaScript animation library, free open source. So we are using this Fabric.js library inside our single page HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is actually the full source code. If you are interested in this, you can go to my website and directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will be redirected to Google Drive, where you will actually get that zip file. You can just see, you can control the location. And we also have the spray tool. Here we can draw something here. Then we also have the rainbow brush tool as well. You can see the spray tool. You can use all these tools to actually design your thumbnail similar to Canva. And you can change the spray color to red here. So using this color picker, which is available right here, you can change the spray color tool right here. So pick any color and you can just see how awesome the thumbnails are looking. And we can even have shadow color as well. So it's an advanced tool right here. And if you want to write something, you will write like this. And if you want to erase something here, you will just say, so this is actually an eraser tool. If you want to make it again in the, so this is actually the tool right here. And to add an input image, you simply click the choose image button, and once you add the image, you make your modifications, you add the text. So after that, you can even put a background image as well. So there is a second button available, background image you can put. And then we also have a button to save the canvas here. So if you click save canvas, you just need to select the sizing here, width and the height. You can even change that as well. So click on save and your image will be successfully saved. You can see that. You can draw anything right here. So you can add text here, you can write something in the canvas, and then you can export your canvas similar to Canva. So if you're interested guys in this, you can first of all try this tool on my website, and if you are interested, you can directly purchase this single file here, which is about 1500 lines of code, and you will get to understand that how I built this project from scratch using Fabric.js. You can just see this source code you will get. It's very easy to run it locally here, right here as well, and also deploy to your any shared hosting that you're using. So it's a single HTML file, so it doesn't use any server-side code. So it's entirely a single page application. So static website It's very easy to deploy as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.